We'll guide you through how to combine and merge PDFs in Adobe Acrobat. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have some PDFs that I want to go and combine using Adobe Acrobat. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. As then, these are going to be into one, as perhaps be working on some separate files. You've then downloaded them as PDFs or converted them, and now you want to go and put them together, maybe to go and submit or do something else with. It doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. So to get started, let's go and open up Adobe Acrobat. So I'm going to press search at the bottom and we can then type it in and go and click on it. It's important to note that I do go and have the pro version of Adobe Acrobat, which is the paid subscription. Now, what you need to do is you want to come and find the tools. So you can come and find suggested tools and go and find all tools just to the top right here. So go and click that like so. Now, when this goes and opens up, what you need to do is you want to come and scroll down into the create section and find combine files. Alternatively, at the top, you can press the search bar and you can go and type in combine in case you struggle to go and find it. Then you want to go and press open, and you can see here we can go and combine files into a single PDF. So press open. Now, what we need to do is go and add the files. So it says add files by clicking the button below or drag and drop them here. So we can press add files. Your file explorer is now going to open and we can go and find them. So I've got them all in one place, so it makes it easy. So I could go and click, hold and drag if they were together, but they're not. So I'm going to go and click on one of them, hold control and click another, scroll down again, and I'll find the other and then hold control again and click it. So we've got these three selected and I'll press open. And as you can see, here they are. So what you can do is go and click, hold and drag, and you can go and put them into the order you want them to go and be in. So let's go and say I wanted this to be the first one. I'll drag that there. You'll go and see that line sort of appears and you can then drop it and you can put it in the order you want them to be in. Then what you can do is you can also go and delete them by clicking on and pressing the trash can if you want. You can go and press the options at the top and you can change some different things here. I don't actually change any of them, but you can if you want. And then what you can do is you can go to the top right and you can find the option combine as, and you can go and press combine files into a PDF or create a PDF space. We're going to be doing the top option, which is combine files into a PDF. So click that there. And as you can see, we can then scroll down and we can go and see it here. Now I'm going to guide you through how you can go and adjust it if you still want to. So you can come over to the right and find the sort of pages icon like that. And if you want to, once again, you can go and click, hold and drag into the order you want to be in. And you can also come over to the left and you can go and use the other tools as well if you want. So different things you can do. And now it's going to be called Binder PDF 1. And what we want to do is we're just going to go and then save that. So what you can do is you can go and press the keyboard shortcut, Control S. On a Mac, you can go and press Command S, and it then says Save as PDF. So what you can do is you can go and press your computer to the left, and you can then choose where. So you can actually go and press choose different folder in the bottom right, and your file explorer then opens, and you can go and find where you want to go and have it saved. I'm going to go and put it on my desktop to the left here, and I'm going to go and name this Video Combined. You can see this save as type as PDF and we'll press save and it's now been saved. So I can go and close this. And as you can see, it's then there. Then what I could do is go and submit it where I need to or go and share it and do what I want to with it. So it's that simple to go and combine PDFs using Adobe Acrobat. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more how-tos like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again with another problem or something you're trying to go and do.